We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. Keep it up. We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Tap the screen to keep building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Bulldozer. Ready. We did it! We need to assemble. Dumper. We did it! Help the car make its way. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Drag the part to the right place. You're doing really great. Make a gravel pad in waterproofing. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all. We did it! We need to assemble. Pipe layer. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Pipe layer. Keep it up. Let's put in reinforcements and communications. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Pie player. We did it! You're doing really great. We have to assemble concrete pump. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. That's all. Pour concrete for a foundation. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray!